Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Ethereum update for Wednesday 29th of June. And boy oh boy, we didn't actually go all the way to the technical target which was supposed to be met, and for some reasons we are not going to go to $1,500, and the reason is being how Bitcoin is still not holding the inverse head and shoulder. So what I'm going to say is keep an eye on this level which is going to be 1044, and if you take out the 1044 level, then you're looking for a big correction to the downside. And if this is your top of the impulsive move, then you're looking for a very big downtrend, and that's going to be from the bottom here to the top. That could be actually creating a reversal wave. Yeah, so if you do come down to the 0.618, there's a little bit of a bounce that can happen at the $105, and if you lose it completely, if you lose this level, put a tick here, and you're looking for Ethereum to basically come down to $704. And that's it for this quick update on Ethereum, guys. Kind of busy, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.